In this video, I'll guide you through how to spend Steam points. Steam points are a fun way to personalize your account and interact with the Steam community. Whether you want to customize your profile, unlock unique cosmetic items, or recognize helpful community contributions, your Steam points can be put to good use. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through where to find the point shop and explain the different ways you can spend your points to get the most out of your Steam experience. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the app is finished loading, look toward the top right corner of the window. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button and enter your account credentials. After reviewing your information for accuracy, click Sign In to access your Steam account. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From the homepage, direct your attention to the navigation bar near the top of the window and click on the Store tab. This is where you'll find games, featured promotions, and several additional sections. Within the store, locate and open the Point Shop. This is the dedicated area where all Steam Point rewards are available. After opening the Point Shop, take some time to browse through the available categories. You'll discover a wide variety of cosmetic items, including animated avatars, profile backgrounds, avatar frames, stickers, chat emoticons, and other customization options. These rewards let you personalize your Steam profile and give it a unique appearance that reflects your gaming style. When you find an item you'd like to own, simply select it and use your available Steam points to redeem it. Before confirming your purchase, it's always worth taking a quick look at the point costs so you know exactly how many points will be deducted from your balance. Steam points aren't limited to profile customization either. You can also use them to award community content such as game reviews, screenshots, guides, artwork, and workshop creations. Giving awards is a great way to recognize creators who have shared helpful, entertaining, or high-quality content with the community. As you continue using Steam and making eligible purchases, you'll earn more points that can be spent on future rewards. This makes the Point Shop a great place to revisit whenever you want to refresh your profile or support members of the Steam community. And that's all there is to it. By exploring the Point Shop and using your Steam points wisely, you can create a more personalized experience while showing appreciation for the community. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Steam account.